in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're back from the half, I swear you go to hell. Paper out, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
It's like 90 degrees outside and super humid, so I'm really trying to wear the least amount of clothes as possible. Just threw on some jean shorts. I got this from Target probably around 2-3 years ago. Love that it has that adjustable waist strap. It's perfect for a day where I'm trying to like eat a lot. And I got this top yesterday from Nordstrom Rack. It's from Steve Madden, and I've been gravitating towards black a lot more ever since I decided to commit to my natural hair color. I love how feminine and summer forward this top is, though it is in black. Hopefully it doesn't absorb all the heat. I feel like this is a really cool, like simple outfit for something like barbecues and more outdoorsy stuff. I also got this hat yesterday. It's from the brand VP, Nordstrom private label, I believe. And look at this, literally 10 bucks. So I'm gonna throw this on. Hopefully this keeps a little bit of the sun away, but I'm still gonna be spraying down my body with sunscreen.
I'll grab some later. I'm okay. I just drink one. So I didn't want to share the good area.
That's what I think.
Been to California, never been to LA, so I stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down.
Look at the cat grass that we planted earlier in the earlier vlog, and it's already grown this much. These salad mix seeds also are popping off. Boki's just munching, eating her greens right now. Yum. Stare at this amazing sunset. I feel like kitchen has one of the best views in the apartment. So we picked this Blueland refillable spray cleaner set, and I wanted to assemble it with you guys. 80 to 90% of our cleaning products are essentially like made of water. So it's really inefficient for us to buy the entire big bottle, transporting them, and then also us having to carry loads and loads of it back home. Their solution was to sell, well, these bottles as well, but essentially you get tablets for each cleaning product. So I think this one comes with multi-surface cleaner, glass and mirror cleaner, and bathroom cleaner. I'm gonna try the multi-surface cleaner right now to clean the countertops. The instruction is very simple. You essentially fill with warm water to the symbol right here, and then you put in the tablet, and that's it. So fairly simple. The starter packs comes with 3 bottles and then 3 of the each pill that I just mentioned, or tablets.
And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.
So I just finished all 3 of them, and the smell is very minimal for a cleaning product, which I prefer. Lets me know that it has actually less chemicals than we need. Also a huge fan of the color. Very pretty. Sprays nice. So my review of the product is that it's really like any other cleaning products I've used. But what did catch my attention was when I was actually shopping for this product, I searched on the app Yuka, spelled Y-U-K-A. Been using it religiously to check for ingredients for my food, face wash, shampoo, you know, anything that I'm like consuming or applying on myself essentially. Things to make sure that, you know, none are carcinogens or have just like a concentrated additives. At Blueland scoring are all nearly excellent, meaning that there's really no harmful ingredients that go into these cleaning products. That seems to be a cleaner product to use, so I'm a fan of that. It's kind of a mess in here. I've been trying to organize things as I receive it. These yogurt cups have been really handy because I can just remove the label and reuse it. So this one's going to be used for my nail clippers. It's honestly kind of like dominoes in here. Like I'll try to grab the sunscreen and everything just comes knocking down. So I'll have to figure out a system to organize all of this, but for right now, this is good.